Welcome to SM Educate Chemistry, your ultimate guide to mastering the fascinating world of chemical science. Get ready to witness captivating experiments and understand the magic behind everyday reactions. We're here to make chemistry easy, engaging, and incredibly fun for students from grade 9 to 12, and for anyone passionate about the subject. Our channel is dedicated to breaking down complex concepts into digestible lessons, ensuring you grasp every principle with confidence. From essential exam tips to achieving high grades, we cover everything you need to excel in your chemistry journey. Explore trending topics, fascinating chemical properties, and even some cool reactions you can safely try at home. Join our community of learners and discover the beauty of chemistry through clear explanations and practical demonstrations. Don't miss out on our weekly uploads designed to spark your curiosity and deepen your understanding. Like this video, subscribe to SM Educate Chemistry, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content.